exercise is very simple. The objectives are to be able to work collaboratively. So basically, to have one big work, which is ours, not mine, but ours. And then feel free to use brushes, use your hands, and otherwise there are no rules.
But the artists themselves are going to tell us about their painting and then describe it to us.
We're all pretty apprehensively standing around it, eating some chips, waiting for paint. And Ava she just like went in and started painting. And I think it gave all of us the courage to it's a blank slate, start going.
It just feels right. Thinking back on my life, there's just been like so many instances where like people are leading you in a certain direction and are just like telling you in an English class, you'll read a passage and you'll have an idea and the teacher will tell you, no, this is what it means. It's just so refreshing to just look at something and know it doesn't have to be something and it can just be like what it is and what it means to you.